In this video, we are going to see the topic under for the differential equation with this application of differential equation. Under that application of differential equations, we have a totally three applications topic is there. And now we are going to see the topic is orthogonal trajectories. First, we will see the definitions of orthogonal trajectories. If two families of curves are such that every members of one family intersect every member of other family at right angles, then they are said to be orthogonal trajectories of each others. So when you are telling it is that family of curve is in orthogonal trajectories, when it is possible, you can take it and every member of one family, that family of curve, it should intersect every member of the other family at the right angle. Then you can tell it is for orthogonal trajectories. So we will see that walking rule, that means the method of finding the orthogonal trajectories. So orthogonal trajectories will have in two. One is Cartesian and other is in polar. So both the method we are going to see it. The first thing, what is the case of the Cartesian family, which is nothing but f of x comma y comma c is equal to 0. So now first step, we need to find a differentiation with respect to x and eliminate the parameter of c. And then the equation so obtained is called as the differential equation of the given family. Now what we have to do, we need to replace it like it is nothing but we know that if tan psi is equal to dy by dx as per the first model what we have learned it. Okay, slope of the tangent is nothing but dy by dx. Okay, is the slope of a given line, then the slope of the line is perpendicular to its minus 1 by dy by 1 minus 1 by tan psi is equal to minus dx by dy. So accordingly, in this differential equation of the given family, we shall replace dy by dx by minus of dx by dy. So this is dx by dy to arrive to at a new differential equations, and you can solve it. So how to solve? Just you can differentiate with respect to x and eliminate c, replace dy by dx by minus dx by dy, and you can able to solve the equations. Let's go over the example. First thing, find the orthogonal trajectories of the family of parabolas y squared equal to 4ax. So what is that? We need to find the orthogonal trajectories of this given family of curve, which is y squared equal to 4ax. So to make it easy things, what I am going to do that, just I am going to take it a x, because when you differentiate the constant, if it is alone, easily it will eliminate. Okay, as we'll get in the first step. That is the reason, if the parameter is on one side of the equation exclusively, then the same gets eliminated once we differentiate. So what is that? Now differentiating equation number 1 with respect to x, we have y by y squared by x. So you have to apply u by v formula. So denominator into differentiation of numerator. So x into 2y into dy by dx minus y squared into x differentiation will be 1 by denominator x is there. So it will become a x squared, or right side will be a 0. So this multiple it will go 0, or 2xy dy by dx minus y squared equal to 0. Again y to be eliminated here. So we'll get 2x into dy by dx minus y is equal to 0. So this is the differential equation of the given family. Now what you have to do, we need to replace second step, dy by dx by minus dx by dy. So what we will get, 2x of dx by minus dx by dy minus y is equal to 0. So now we can simplify 2x, or minus into minus, like completely multiple with a minus. So 2x into dx, then y into dy is equal to 0, because you can take this term to the other side y, then dy you can take it. That will after take it to the left side, it will become a 2x dx plus y dy equal to 0. Okay, I'll write and show. So in this equation, multiple with a minus, so what will happen? I have a 2x dx by dy minus y is equal to 0, right? Sorry, minus, it will be a plus y. So now 2x dx by dy then is equal to minus y, I can write. This dy take to other side. So what will happen? I'll get 2x dx is equal to minus y into dy I'll get. So this minus you can take other side, then you will be getting the next equation. What is that? So I'll be having 2x dx plus y dy equal to 0. Okay, now you can integrate. What is that? Integration 2x into dx plus integration y into dy equal to integration, you have a right side, it will come a constant since it is a 0. What is that? 2x squared by 2. So 2 will get cancelled, I get only x squared, plus here y squared by 2 is equal to c, or 2x square plus y square is equal to 2c, which is you can consider as a constant k. Therefore, the orthogonal trajectories of the required family is nothing but that is parabola curve, right? So 2x square plus y square equal to k. So we'll see the one more example. Find the orthogonal trajectories of the family of asteroids x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 is equal to a power 2 by 3. So what is that? The asteroid equation has been given. So same way, what you have to do, first step we need to write it a differentiation equation, differentiations, and then differential equations, and then you have to replace dy by dx to minus dx by dy. So given equation you can write it already in the right side, only the constant is there, that means a parameter. So you can go with the differentiation with respect to x. What will happen? X power n formula. So n into 2 by 3 into x power minus 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 into y power minus 1 by 3. Y differentiation will be dy by dx is equal to 0. That is x power minus 1 by 3 plus y power minus 1 by 3 dy by dx is equal to 0, because 2 by 3 is a constant, it will get cancelled in both the side. Okay, so this is your differential equation of the given family. Now it's time to replace here dy by dx to minus dx by dy. So what will happen? X power minus 1 by 3 plus y power minus 1 by 3 into dy by dx to be replaced minus dx by dy equal to 0, or x power minus 1 by 3 into dy is equal to y power minus 1 by 3 into dx. Now interchange it. This x term take to right side, y term to be taken to the left side. So I will get y power 1 by 3. So minus will go for the plus, right? Because this will be in the denominator. Now take to other side, it will come to the numerator. So y power 1 by 3 dy is equal to x power 1 by 3 dx. Now apply for a variable separable method. That means separating the variable. Take the integrations. Integration y power 1 by 3 dy and take the x term to the left side minus integration x power 1 by 3 dx is equal to c. That is y power 1 by 3 plus 1. It will become a 4 by 3 by 4 by 3 minus x power 4 by 3 by 4 by 3 is equal to c. Or x power 4 by 3 minus y power 4 by 3 is equal to 4 by 3 you can take to other side. What is that? Minus 4 by 4c by 3, which you can consider as a k. Now what will happen? That is x power 4 by 3 minus y power 4 by 3 is equal to k is your required orthogonal trajectories. So first one you have to remember, when you do the orthogonal trajectories, we need to make it as a finding a differential equation of the given family. So once you get your differential equations of the given family, then you can able to find it here like you can able to replace here dy by dx to minus dx by dy, and then you can do the variable separable method to solve the equations. Okay, so first thing, if a parameter is there in the multiple of that function, take it to alone. That means take a log, or you can take it to right side or one side, you can keep it as all variable. Parameter you can take a separately to the right side or left side separate function. That means when you differentiate, the constant will go for the 0. Okay, then easily you can able to get your differential equations of the given family of the curve. So after normal, you can do the variable separable method to get your required orthogonal trajectories. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.